on, you guys? I'm back with another video, and today I want to take my 135 and the 335 to a scale. I've been curious what these cars weigh, so I'm just pulling up to a scale and I'll check back in a minute. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can see, I found a truck scale and I've got my BMW 135 and I'm curious what it weighs. I ran a 10-second pass in the last video I uploaded and I've been dying to know what this pig weighs, so we're gonna find out in just a few minutes. Now before I actually put her up on the scale, I just want to show you guys the only weight reduction I did, which was removing this back seat paneling, both side panels in the back and the bottom panel here, and I also removed the rear seat, so the rear seat cushion and the rear seat backs. I still have the rest of the interior. I'll show you guys what that looks like. It's a full interior car, but like I said, just the back seat cushions removed. So let's go ahead and get her on the scale. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's pull her up. So as you guys can see here, I've got almost 3/4 of a tank, so that will also factor into the equation. But this is pretty much race weight on when I ran that 10-second pass, so I have no idea what to expect here. Drop your guesses down below. I'm gonna go ahead and pull forward. Okay, I'm gonna jump out. Let's see here. $3,440 pounds. That might be hard to see. My lens doesn't zoom any further. And that includes me standing on here. So with me in the car, it's fluctuating between 3,440 and 3,460. So I'd just say 3,450. It looks like this thing has 20-pound increments. So with me off the scale, here you can see 3,300 pounds. Car over there on the scale. So this car weighs about 3,300 pounds, almost on the dot. With me in it, it's about 3,450. So that's about right, because I do weigh almost 150 pounds. Okay, so I got my lovely girlfriend who took the 335 over here, and as you saw, the 135 weighed 3,300 pounds. So how much do you think this thing's gonna weigh?
I don't know.
Just a guess.
3,200.
You think it's gonna weigh less?
Yeah?
Alright, drive her up on there. Okay, in the moment of truth. 3,680. So 3,680 pounds.
Damn.
Why don't you jump out now and we'll see how much it weighs without your 100 pounds.
Let me take all my cash.
No, it's okay. Okay, so 3,680 with her in the car, and with her off, 3,600. So we dropped 80 pounds by you getting out. Yeah, she's probably closer to 90. Alright, so now that we've determined you weigh about 90 pounds, this thing comes in at 3,600 pounds. So the 335, 3,600 pounds. The 135, 3,300 pounds. So 300 pounds lighter with the rear seat delete. How much gas you got in this puppy?
More than half tank.
Okay. About the same as the 135, exactly the same. And with them both on here, 6,900 pounds. That's crazy. Come here. Come here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Can you say hi to YouTube? Can you say hi to YouTube? Eileen and I got a little baby puppy that we're adding to the family. Isn't that right, Stormy? Who is this? Huh? Who is that? Yeah, she's off. She does like hanging out in the garage because it's nice and cool in here. But 8-week-old golden retriever. Huh? Who's got grass? Who got grass all over you? Huh? Oh, how can you not love this face? So I just got both cars back home in the garage here. My camera battery died and I just want to go over a couple things with you guys real quick. So as you can see with the 135, it is a fully loaded car, meaning it has sport package, cold weather package with the heated seats, iDrive navigation, comfort access. I mean, this thing is fully loaded, so it does weigh a little bit more from the factory than if it were to have manual seats, non-heated seats, no navigation or iDrive, none of those things I mentioned. The car would be a little bit lighter just because it wouldn't have all those electrical components and other things just kind of weighing it down. But that being said, I would like to drop some more weight from this car, even though I've already removed the back seats. So here are my ideas where I think I can save a little bit more weight on this car. It wouldn't be a massive amount of weight, but if I can get a carbon fiber hood, that would shed a decent amount of weight. And I'm thinking the same thing for the trunk. Both of these are the stock body panels, metal. So if I replace them with carbon fiber, I know that could save some weight. I also am toying with the idea of a carbon fiber sunroof delete. This is a lot of weight on the top of the car. Top heavy weight is not good weight. So I could remove the sunroof, not only the glass part, but also the motor and all that. I think would add up to a good amount of weight since I don't even find myself using the sunroof very often. And now that we're back inside, I think if I were to replace both of these front seats with aftermarket bucket seats, I don't know, maybe some Sparcos, I'm open to ideas there, but I know these pigs are really heavy. All of it is electronic controlled. Like I said before, they've got the heated elements. These are just big bulky seats. So I think with those carbon fiber pieces, the seats themselves, I don't know if I want to go as far as gutting anything else out, just because I do like this car to be somewhat comfortable because I drive it frequently. The only other thing I can really think of is if I replace this battery with a smaller Braille or racing style battery. I'm not too sure there, but this is a big bulky battery and I don't think it's necessarily needed. So with that being said, I don't think 3,300 pounds on this thing is too bad, all things considered, but I'm definitely open to ideas, so drop comments down below on any more ways I can save weight, especially if it's on the front half of the car. I think I'm starting to lose the balance by gutting those rear seats and stuff. So if you guys have ideas on anywhere on the front half of the car or things I might not be thinking of to save weight, please let me know. I would appreciate that. The 335 is going to get modded soon, and that's going to be a separate journey. I'm putting that thing on a diet. I've got a bunch of parts over here for it, so don't worry, I didn't forget about that car. It's coming soon. As you can see, I've been dealing with some house projects. The garage is a mess. Joys of home ownership. But otherwise, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I had a blast. More videos to come. Life has been hectic, but I didn't forget about you guys. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. By the way, I get tons of questions on these shirts I'm wearing. I designed this. As you can tell, it looks kind of just like the Doc Race single turbo kit, and it is for sale on beamerstreet.com. All orders are appreciated from you guys. You've been awesome with support, so seriously, thank you. I've got t-shirts, hoodies, key tags, stickers, a bunch of different designs, not just single turbo stuff, other N54, N55, general BMW related things. I definitely appreciate you guys. So head over there, check it out, and let me know what you think.